Birds sang in the morning, but you thought that you could hide behind the smile, behind your dark eyes, and the cards made you decide, the cards made you decide. Don't take me for granted. Don't take me for granted. The night was like a blanket pushed aside to stay up late, and I remember hearing crickets reading cards under lamplight. They confessed what you'd been feeling. They confessed what you'd been feeling. The song was always playing. I'll pretend I don't remember, 'cause that would mean you mean more to me than I do to you. I'm taking off my dancing shoes. I'm taking off my dancing shoes. Don't take me for granted. Don't take me for granted. Oh, please don't. I had the thought tonight of putting something on my wall. I imagine you lying in my bed, arm around me, looking up at it and making a joke, 'cause it's something I know you would laugh at. And I feel a lump in my throat. Oh, I feel a lump in my throat, 'cause I know you won't lie in my bed. You won't touch my forehead and push back my hair. I know that you won't. I know you won't. I know that you won't. I know you won't. Call me a bird ever again. I'll never get that dream again. We can't let it be. The birds sang in the morning, and you took